Alright, y'all, 4th of July set loading. We starting with the haul because if the supplies ain't cute, the nails ain't either. Okay, line everything up. We got the lamp, the gels, the tips, basically everything except somebody else's patience. Let's see if I can pull this set off. And yes, I did customize this set. First things first, prep is everything. If you skip your prep, don't blame the nails when they decide to clock out in 3 days. Base coat going on nice and smooth. Into the lamp we go. We ain't rushing today. Well, we're trying not to. Time to let this little UV sun do what it do because I refuse to restart this whole damn set. I don't know, y'all. This part be having me questioning my eyesight or something because I be gotta make sure I get this shit right, okay? But yeah, we gonna slide that on there above the cuticle and under the lamp we go. Okay, period. Get into my alignment. Fully secure them hoes in, out, boom. Yeah, look at them fight. Okay, period. Now we about to drill something. We shaping, smoothing, cleaning everything up because the foundation gotta eat before the design does, baby. Whole time we actually getting somewhere. Confidence level just went up about 75%. This is my first time doing this. Although I have did other forms of nails, this is my first time doing a first Gelx tip set. They saying book me for I cost a fortune. Time for the fun part. Red check, blue check, white check. You already know the assignment. One by one, colors come together and suddenly I'm acting like I wasn't stressed 30 seconds ago. That's the magic of nail art. And boom, finished set, red, white, blue. It's a whole cookout on my fingertips. If these don't scream 4th of July, I don't know what the hell does. And shit, I did this all off the brain ski. So how'd I do, Bookie? Let me know.